It's so good that they named it twice. Beef tartare. Don't fuck it up. Grab a fillet. If you put it in the freezer for 30 minutes, it's gonna be a lot fucking easier to cut. Is he gonna eat a raw steak? Yes. Cut it into thin strips, and then you're gonna dice it into small cubes. Grab the onion's premature cousin. You're gonna dice it super fine. Shallots go in. Slice some capers. Grab a few cornichons. These are just the French gay version of American pickles. Gay pickles go in. Chives, an egg yolk, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, mixy. Beef goes in. Salt, Parmigiano Reggiano, a touch of lemon, a little bit of zest, butter, bread, toast. Slice, plate. Spit on that thing, you get me? Who the fuck names a dish twice? Beef tartare? Hey, what do you want for lunch? I don't know, burger, fries? Fucking stupid. And that's how you make a beef tartare.